Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about DOGECOIN price prediction and DOGECOIN news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for DOGECOIN in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known DOGECOIN or Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of DOGECOIN saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of DOGECOIN. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of DOGECOIN. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the DOGECOIN Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Today we will tell you important news about cryptocurrency DOGECOIN. DOGECOIN reacts to investors' question of to be or not to be. However, for DOGECOIN this might only be a momentary slip-up, since neither price indicators nor other metrics are noting a change in investors' behavior. After breaching the 10-month-long downtrend last week, DOGECOIN managed to close above it. In fact, in the last 7 days, Doge has seen a positive change of 6.64%. This is because the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is not in the overbought zone yet. Perhaps, this is giving some room to keep the active trend going. And, MACD isn't displaying any bearishness either. Furthermore, the average balance on every address, which began inclining 2 weeks ago, rose to its 2-month high of $4,781 on 29 March. Usually, the metric acts this way under two circumstances: if the number of the state of the traders and their outlook on DOGECOIN. A moderate funding rate could mean that the sentiment is balanced. Highly positive funding could indicate greed, and could also mark local tops. Over the past 2 months, any spike in funding rate beyond 0.01% was met with a selling pressure that limited the upside for Doge. The recent uptick also hit 0.01% and is currently heading lower. On a complex note, the potential crash for Doge makes sense from a technical perspective. However, it requires a catalyst to trigger it and push it past the fences. And, the key here would be the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. Over the last 3 days, this situation has escalated to a point where Russia could be considering nukes. This could be a turning point in this war, and could be a key in triggering another 50% crash. Since the Russian attacks are taking place near the nuclear power plant in Ukraine. Therefore, it is posing a catastrophic meltdown that could send the global economies and cryptocurrencies crashing. Hence, considering all these scenarios, investors need to be in a risk-off mode. So next news. DOGECOIN wallet for iOS goes live, Memecoin's co-founder reveals. Marcus also said that the non-custodial wallet app wasn't created by the DOGECOIN team. Instead, its creation was entrusted to a group of independent developers. According to a tweet by the MyDitch wallet team, the app supports transfers of Doge to the wallet from any cryptocurrency exchange and other crypto wallets, including Robinhood and Coinbase. Developments around DOGECOIN continue. It's worth mentioning that this isn't the first time that independent developers have created DOGECOIN-related products. In December 2021, they released a DOGECOIN tip bot called Sadogitip on Twitter and announced it on Reddit's DOGECOIN community forum. The most recent development comes a week after DOGECOIN Foundation core developer Ross Nickel announced he was stepping down from the project due to feeling overwhelmed with the stress involved and a possible conflict of interest. Furthermore, given the rising investor interest in the meme coin, DOGECOIN's developers have increased their efforts to improve adoption. They have already started working with Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin toward the shift to the energy-efficient proof-of-stake (POS) technology, as reported by Finbold in February. DOGECOIN showed conflicting signs, but could see a drop if these lows are lost. For Doge, there were 2 levels of immediate interest. These are the lower highs of the downtrend at $0.173 and the lower lows of the downtrend at $0.1224. In the month of February, Doge tried to rally above the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. These levels were plotted based on the swing highs and lows of 34 cents and 12 cents from November to January. The early February rally promised to break out past $0.1719 and $0.196 levels, but was rejected at $0.1736. This meant that the rally upward was just the latest of the many lower highs that DOGECOIN has set on it. Well, now we will discuss the DOGECOIN price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. DOGECOIN is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in DOGECOIN, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the DOGECOIN price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. DOGECOIN forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. DOGECOIN could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of DOGECOIN will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of DOGECOIN will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, DOGECOIN will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 70 cents if the market turns bullish. Forecasts for 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Doge will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 could end with an average bid of $1.08 and a minimum bid of $1.06. The maximum bet is expected to be around